Hey guys, Kelsey from Corner Coffee here. Today we are working on summer drinks, and right now we are making an espresso tonic. So to make our espresso tonic, we are going to start with a little nice glass. We're going to put about 60 grams of ice in it, maybe exactly 60 grams. And then we're going to open up our tonic. We are using the Fever Tree Premium Indian tonic water, and we're going to be using 100 grams. We're going to set this aside for right now and move on to the espresso section, which we're going to take a shaker glass and add 20 grams of our house-made blueberry syrup, and then we're going to pull some shots. While we're waiting on the espresso, we're also going to add just a little bit of ice to the blueberry syrup as well. You don't need much, just a few cubes. Add the espresso to the blueberry and ice. And then we're going to give this a good shake. And then we're going to strain it over the tonic water. Now here's the key. Espresso and tonic water don't go well together if you pour it in fast. So pour in a little tiny bit at first, let it fizz, and then you can slowly pour the rest of the espresso in. And to finish off this espresso tonic, we're gonna take a little lemon peel, do a little twist. The twist is gonna bring some of the oils from the lemon out and give it a little bit more of a lemon taste, but not too much. And then you're all done. Here is your espresso tonic.